Greetings and salutations, YouTube land. People back with another unboxing video. Today I have for you something a little bit different, but something very cool nonetheless. I have some custom artwork from a pretty good friend of mine. So, I play Fortnite a lot, and one of my regular squad mates is named Paige. She runs the channel PJ's Games. I'll throw a link up here somewhere. Maybe over here. Maybe over there. She does some unique content. Some of it I don't understand. Kids. But one of the things she does that are some of my favorites are she does drawing videos. She's been doing a series of Fortnite characters, and she'll also take requests. She took requests for some characters from two of my absolute favorite Disney movies, and one of my favorite movies, period. I thought they came out incredible, and she was nice enough to send the drawings to me. So yeah, they are. Are you ready? Let's go ready for the unboxing. Chomp, I don't think you'll be needed. I'm trying to be very careful here because I don't know if these are in any sort of protector or anything, and I would hate to damage them. So she does a lot of, she calls them speed drawings, which she basically fast forwards through while she draws. She's actually very good, although she has a thing where she doesn't like to draw realistic humans or robots. Which makes it really fun because our other usual squad mate in trios, Kevin, always likes to request Transformers and realistic humans. It's a long night playing sometimes. I think I'm more nervous opening this than I am any autograph I've opened. There we go. Inside we have first we have, hoping the camera's doing justice to this, we have Arthur, also known as Vort, with the PJ signature up there. I think she captured his likeness very well. Funny thing is, she'd actually never seen this movie, and I got her to watch it, and she really enjoyed it, so. And then we have the kind of villain from Sword in the Stone. The wonderful, magnificent, Madam Mim. Once again, I think she did an incredible job. This one looks just like her. I will definitely be looking into getting these framed and hung up somewhere. And I'm trying to be very, very careful with them. So yeah, I highly recommend you check out her channel. Like I said, I will have some links to it. Request a non-realistic, non-robot drawing from her. If you play Fortnite, request some of the characters. She did Chrome Punk recently. She did Catalyst. Somebody else, but it was a character I didn't like. Eh. So there we go. Just something a little different, something a little fun. If you enjoyed this, shoot me that thumbs up. Any comments if you think this is cool, if you know any other cool drawing channels. If you know a good way to frame artwork, because I really don't. Shoot me a comment down below, you know I love hearing from you guys. Ding that bell to be notified whenever my videos go live. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any videos. So always be excellent to each other. Party on, dudes. Did I forget to ask the trivia question? Did you just miss it? I want to hunt.